jumbo jet. It wasn't easy, but nothing else. No. When I was young, it's not my problem. It's not my problem.
Okay, KG committee members, nasa na kayo? Iniwan niyo na naman ako. Committee members.
She had me feeling like she's ready to
Okay. Second game ng ating semifinals. Hot shot against Don Tracos. Start na po tayo.
Hello. Okay.
May kapuluhan.
Hello. Good evening sa lahat, no? Itong game natin is papawis lang sana, no? Sa pawis. And then pagkatapos, if there is a call, since in the beginning, if there is a call, stop. If there is another motion, there is something wrong. So, automatically, there is an ejection of those two players. Okay? But in the ruling, do you want to pay that one? If you cause a fighting inside of the playing court, so it might be you can control your ego and emotion. Okay? If there is a call of the official referee, you must do hands up. Okay? And then one thing, my guys, my player, hindi namin i-allowed yung player na maglaro na nakakainom. If you are drinking alcohol, you are not allowed to play the game. Okay, thank you.
Thank you for your nice words. Okay, thank you, official referee Sam Gutierrez, our senior referee. Okay, it's game time. Tara na, bagbahan na tayo. Start of the second game. Game 1 ng Don Tracos against Hot Shot. Starting lineup for your Hot Shot. Pasa on. Corullo, Gorospe, Calleja, and Acuña. And starting lineup for your Don Tracos, Morta, Sumampong, Posadas, Nahian, Quedato. Okay, let's get ready to rumble. Gorospe against Morta. Battle of the Giants yun ah. First possession goes to Hotshot. Acuña, supalpal sa likod ni Nayan. Corullo jumper. Battle of the rebounds. Acuña, wala pa rin. Morta, towering rebound. Sumampong against Pasaon. Nahian. Quedato. Alley-oop pass, nice move. Sumampong. Umupo sa area. Calleja, jumper, no good. Rebound by Corullo. Acuña, basket good for Jupiter Acuña. 2-2 ang score. Quedato to Pasaon. Nahia for 3. No good. Rebound by Gorospe. Pasaon to the ball. Dia Pasaon umatake. Corullo to Calleja. 12 second shot clock. Corullo to Jupiter. Balik kay Pasaon. There's a whistle. Foul number 6. Donald Posadas. First personal foul, first team foul. Corullo with a inbound. Acuña. Shot clock to 10 seconds. Pasaon. Pasaon jumper. Basket good for Dion Pasaon. Lawang ang hot shot. 4-2. 7 minutes 50 seconds. There's a whistle, troubling violation. Hot shot ball. Calleja to juke to Calleja. Pasaon. Pasaon jumper. No good. Rebound by Gorospe. No good. Rebound by Acuña. No good. Battle of the rebounds. Rebound by Sumampong. Sumampong. Lilipad, basket good for Agustin Sumampong. Tabla po ulit, 4-4. 7 minutes 15. Acuña to Pasaon, 14 second shot clock. Calleja, sumidestep, supalpal ni Morta. Sumampong ulit ang mamadali. Sumampong, easy 2 points for Agustin Sumampong. Assisted by Morta. 6-4 in favor of Tracos. Calleja to Pasaon. Pasaon jumper. No good. Rebound by Quedato. Carl to Morta. Morta on the way. Hot shot ball. Last touch by Morta. 6 minutes 25 seconds sa ating first quarter. Calleja to Pasaon. To Gorospe. To Jupiter. Nice pass to cutting. But na still ni Morta. Nandoon rin naman si Sumampong. Sumampong all the way. Basket good for Agustin Sumampong. 4-point lead. 6 minutes sa ating first quarter. Corullo patake. Corullo specialty basket good for Ted Corullo. Score is 8-6. Matt Dayan natawagan ng traveling violation. Substitution rep. Bontelao in. Kalye out. Time remaining 5 minutes, 27 seconds sa ating first quarter. Pasaol to Gorospe. Tep. Na-steal ni Nayan pero nasundot. Nakuha ni Gorospe. Gorospe! Basket good for Francis Gorospe. Score is 8-8. We have a tie ball game. 5 minutes. Sumampa for 3. No good. Francis with the rebound. Cholo. Cholo against Sumampong. Cholo. Pass to Pasaol. Easy 2 points basket. Good ball there. Tana! Don Tragos. Okay, thank you once again, Paribokers. AAN Insurance, STH Immigrations, Aces Jerseys, VIP, MCBRA, thank you so much. And tomorrow again, once again, game 2 tayo ng semifinals ay Rangi Stadium, Timaru. Back to the ball game. Don Rocos, ball.
Siniwas niya at pangilayo, hindi ko alam anong iniiwan dito.
Okay, back to the ball game. Travis ball, inbound to Kedato. Ran Cudilia, fresh from the bench. Kedato with a spin. No pass to Morta. Morta sa ilalim. No good. Battle of the rebounds. Francis Gorospe. Rebound. Gorospe. Pass to Cholo. Cholo. Masyadong malakas. Sayang pari ko. Diam with the rebound. Diam Pasaol for jumper. Basket good for Pasaol. Ganda na start ng half shot. 12-8. Kedato to Cudilia. Cudilia. Jumper no good. Rebound by Pasaol. Takbuhan sa kabila. Cholo Bontilao. Basket good for Cholo Bontilao. 6-point lead. Hot shot. 14-8. Very good start. Steal by Gorospe. Gorospe lilipad. Gorospe. And the basket good. May kasama bang foul?
Mukhang masarap ang kinain ng mga to.
Foul number 3, Kedato. First personal foul. Second team foul. 1 shot for Gorospe.
Dali mo na lang bukas na.
Dalhin ko.
Second. Gorospe, no good. Rebound by Glenn Buntilao. Gorospe! But there's a whistle. Foul number 3-6.
Morta ba yun?
RJ Mort. Sumampong. First personal basket good for Gorospe. First foul, Sumampong. Basket good. 2 out of 2. 10-point lead. 10-point lead ang hot shot. Napakagandang simula.
Bro, time.
Morta, umatake. Basket good for Morta. 8-point lead ang hot shot. 1 minute 55 seconds. Pasaol, crossover, Pasaol. Nakalusot, no good. Battle of the boards. Morta with the rebound.
Takbo bay!
Cordilla with a press leg. Nice save kay Kuya Tinoy. Balik tayo sa hot shot. Cholo. Tino Luzon again for Dia Pasol for 3. 3 seconds. Violation. No basket. Codilla, sumampong, umatake. Sumampong, umasa. There's a whistle. Foul number 22, Team Pasol. First personal foul, first team foul. 1 minute 15. Codilla, Tokidato, sumukat ng 3. No good, Posadas with a rebound. To sumampong for 3. 3! Agustin sumampong. Balik sa 5 ang kalamangan ng hot shot. 1 minute, 1 second. Pasakol. Glens Buntilaw. Babawi, no good. Rebound by Kedato. There's a whistle. Foul number 22, Dion Pasol. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Sumampong to Kedato. Codilla, triple team. Posadas sa ilalim. Posadas, no good. Out of bounds na po. Half shot ball, 38 seconds. $35 seconds sa ating first quarter. 18-13, half shot. Gorospe. There's a steal by Morta. Kedato against Cholo. Ran Codilla, Pumik. Ran Codilla, the veteran. 10 seconds shot clock. But there's a whistle. May tulak. Pass ako, rep. Foul number 2, Cholo. Kedato, basket good for RJ Morta. Foul number 00, Tinoy Luzon. First personal foul. 14 foul. One shot. One shot, Morta. No good. Rebound by Glens. There's a foul by number 6. Donna Posadas, warning penalty, both teams. 7 seconds shot clock. 2 shots. Four fouls pa. 4 fouls. Both teams warning for penalty. 7 seconds remaining. Pasaol inbound to Buntilaw. Gorospe, stop and pop. No good. Rebound by Sumampong, but that's the end of the first quarter. Score is 18-15 in favor of Hot Shot. Okay, back to the ball game. Don Tracos ball. Possession araw tayo. Start of second quarter, Don Tracos ball.
The one we see there. Oh, there. Behind you!
Sumampong inbound to Quedato. Sumampong to Quedato. For 3. No good. Rebound by Acuna. Hot shot ball. Puntilaw with the ball. Cholo. To Acuna, specialty. Mid jumper, no good. Rebound by Sumampong. Sumampong all the way to Cordilla. Cordilla. Pumegi pa. But there's a whistle. Sumabit. Foul number 2. Cholo Puntilaw. Second personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Ran Cordilla, the scoring machine. No good. Shoutout sa sapatos mo, Ran. Ang ganda, kumikitang ginang.
Maganda sapatos daw.
Basket good. 1 out of 2 for Ran Cordilla. Sana all. 2-point lead na lang po ang hot shot. 8 minutes, 43 seconds. Calleja, there's a whistle, traveling violation. Don Tracos ball. Quedato to Sumampong. To Quedato, sumukat ulit. 3! Kyle Quedato. Lamang na po ang Don Tracos, 1 point, 19-18. Calleja, ba't nakuha ni Calleja ang bola? Calleja pa rin. Steal by Morta. But there's a whistle. Substitution red. Time out. Hot shot. Who's pa red? Foul number 11, Calleja. First personal foul, first team foul. Second personal foul, first team foul for Edward Calleja. Second team foul. That's your first, Edward. Sorry. Alright, thank you so much. And tomorrow again, balik tayo sa Timaru sa Aerorangi Stadium Game 2 sa ating series. Talagang dire-diretso na tayo sa pagtatapos ng liga. Okay, back to the country. Hot shot, Tracos ball. Time remaining 6 minutes 50 seconds sa ating second quarter. Fajardo to Quedato to Sumampong, no good. Rebound by Acuna. To Gorospe. Puntilaw. To Ted Corullo. Ted Corullo against Sumampong, double team. Masyado malakas na i-save, pero na-i-save kay Sumampong. But there's a contact. Foul number 29, Gorospe. First personal foul, 13 foul. Sumampong. To Nayan, lumatake, no good. Pero nakuha ni Gorospe. Gorospe on the move. Gorospe lumipad, no good. Nakuha ni Fajardo, but there's a whistle. Rebound by Fajardo. Foul number 22, Pasaon. Third personal foul, 14 foul, winding for penalty. Five minutes, 20 seconds sa ating second quarter. Quedato dumidiskarte. Sumampong to Scott. Scott the move. No good. Rebound by Morta. Supalpal doon ni Acuna. Acuna with the rebound. Puntilaw. Pass to Pasahon. Pumili pa, basket good. May kasamang gulang. 2019 in favor of hot shot. Lamang na po ulit ang hot shot. 1 point lead. Nayan, there's a whistle. Traveling violation.
Alive. Medium light. And a
4 minutes, 30 seconds. 2019 ang hot shot. Alley of the 10, masyado malakas. Balik tayo sa Don Tramos. Isko with the inbound to Kedato. Tunea to Kedato. Sumampong ang atake. Binali pa. Basket good for Sumampong. Ang tindi. 21-20. Glenn Butilao. But there's a whistle. Foul number 28. Carl Kedato. Second personal foul. First team foul, pero 2 shots for Glenn Butilao. Basket good.
Shoot time out. Yung shoot time out. Ayos ka.
No good. Rebound by Morta. To Sumampong. Sumampong ulit. Basket good for Sumampong.
Wait, ano ka?
Butilao to Ted Corulla. No good. Rebound by Morta. Kedato. Football pass to Nayan. Pero nandun siguro sa Nayan. Nung stop and pop. No good. Rebound by Ted. Corulla. Jupiter lumatake. Jupiter, no good. Rebound by Pasahon. To Glens Butilao. Glens for 3. No good. Rebound by Pasahon. But there's a whistle. Foul number 29, Gorospe. Second personal foul. Time out. Hot shot. Fourth team foul.
Dalawang per half. Pero pa kayo.
Okay, shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout ulit, Marvin Lumtao, shoutout ulit. Thank you for watching. Don Traos Ball.
Penalty.
Penalty pala yun.
Technical na yan.
Basket good for Sumampong. Two for Sumampong. 4-point lead ang Don Tracos. Nakasundot pero nakuha ni, but there's a whistle. Foul number 6, Dolor Posadas. Third personal foul. Second team foul, Pasahon jumper. Basket good for Diamond Pasahon. 2-point lead ang Don Tracos na yan. no good. Morta, towering rebound, basket good, putback. RJ Morta. Ang Team Duncan. Pass on. There's a whistle. Foul number 25. RJ Morta. First personal foul. 30 foul, 2 shots. Pass on. Basket good. No good, niluwa. 3-point lead ang Don Tracos. Sumampong umatake, double team. Toked Dato. Sumukat, tumeke. Gusto sa malapit, Morta on the move. There's a whistle. Foul number 29, Francis Gorospe, third personal foul. Penalty. No good. Substitution rep. Luzon in, Gorospe out. Basket good for Morta. 4-point lead ang Don Tracos, 1 minute 10 seconds. Pasaol against Nayal. Pasaol. There's a steal by Nayal. Sumampong to Quedato. Quedato all the way. Basket good for Carl Quedato. 6-point lead. Quedato umaharas. Pasaol jumper from Acuña. Basket good for Pasaol. Assisted by Jupiter Tep Crulio. 40 seconds remaining. Sumampong high post to Morta. Quedato. Running jumper, no good. Tapik ni Crulio to Cholo. Cholo atake. Dumaan sa dalawang bangka. But still by Posadas. 19 seconds. Nayal. Stop and pop. Naisip pa ni Totep Crulio. Pero nakuha ni Posadas ang bola. Posadas tumirang tres. No good. Tep Crulio with the rebound. 4 seconds remaining. Cholo running 3 points. Masyado lakas. Over tapakot. And that's the end of the second quarter. Score is 30-26 in favor of Don Tracos. Okay, good shot. Over tabakot. Okay, halftime break. 5 minutes. Release lang, release. 3 minutes lang. Shout out, Mark de la Cruz. Isang sayo naman dyan. Para kita. Okay, foul. Announcement of fouls sa Don Tracos. Morta 1 foul, Quedato 2 fouls, Posadas 3 fouls, and Sumampong 1 foul. Hotshot, Gorospe 3 fouls, Luzon 1 foul, Calleja 1 foul, Bontilao Cholo 2 fouls, Pasaon 3 fouls. Ngiti ka pa dyan, ha? Babyface assassin. Kita ngits bukas. Okay, back to the ball game. Start of third quarter. Hot shot ball, possession arrow.
Hot shot ball.
Hot shot, possession arrow. Hot shot. Start of third quarter. Hot shot.
Hot shot, tama yan, tama.
Start of third quarter, inbound to Pasaol. Gandang laban ito. Ika nga, fasten your seatbelt. There's a steal by Nayan. Ngumingiti pa, may binabalak na naman. Nayan, no good. Rebound by Luzon. Gorospe, umatake, no good. Rebound by Sumampong, lilipad, no good. Rebound by Luzon. Back-to-back rebound. Supalpan ni Morta. To Kedato. Commanding the ball. Nahial for 3. Sumungat, no good. Ted Curulio with the rebound. Pasaon. Luzon for 3. Yes, 3 points! Pioy Luzon, pogi shot of the day. Grabe. Ganda naman. 1 point lead na lang po ang Don Dracos. Pabawi ba si Sumampong? Basket, good 3! Agustin Sumampong. That 3 points is brought to you by Parigo Cars.
Bawi.
Pasaol, matake, no good. There's a whistle. Foul number 35. Morta. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Dian Pasaol. No good. One out of 2 for Pasaon. 3-point lead. Binato agad kay Nahial. Good daw po. Nakitang-kita doon. Kay Dato. Sumampong lumipad. Basket. Good for Sumampong. 5-point lead. Pasaon. Lilipad din. But there's a whistle. Foul number 25, RJ Morta. Third personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Diamond Pasaol. Basket good. Substitution rep. Posadas in. Morta out. Two out of 2 for Dian Pasaol. 3-point lead ang Don Tracos. Kapit Bayan. Sumampang for 3. No good. Ted Curulio with the rebound. Hot shot ball. Dian Pasaol. Matake Dian Pasaol. Umatake na naman. Gandang layup to good. Rebound by Sumampong. Posadas to Kedato. No call. Rebound by Gorospe. Pero nakuha ni Sumampong, but there's a whistle. Foul number 0-0. Team Luzon, second personal foul. First team foul.
Unlimited power yan.
Unli foul lang, with Tinoy. Sumampang basket. Merong privilege yan si Assistant Commissioner Tinoy Luzon. 2 out of 2 for Super Sumampong. 5-point lead. Ang Don Tracos. Pick by Gorospe. Pasaol jumper. Basket good for Tio Pasaol. Diretsong-diretsyon. Nayan. Nayan mo spin. Basket good for Nahian. 5-point lead ulit. No pass, Gorospe, nakuha bola. Gorospe, no goal. Good basket. Don Tracos sumatakas, Sumampong, there's a whistle. Foul number 91, Ted Curulio. First personal foul. So first. Substitution red. Akunya in. RJ Marta in. Basket good. Both teams warning po. Yung players. 7-point lead. Pasaol again. No good. Don Tracos ball. 4 minutes. 4 minutes remaining sa ating third quarter. Kedato against Pasaol. Nahial jumper. Sweet spot. No good. Ted Curulio with the rebound. There's a whistle. Foul number 26 Pasaol, Sumampong. Second personal foul. Substitution rep, Kalyain, Glenn Buntilang out. Third team foul, ang Don Tracos. Kalya to Pasaol. Shot clock to 14. Pasaol jumper. Akunya rebound. Nice. Teka mo ni Gorospe. But there's a whistle. Foul number 6, Posadas. Warning for penalty. Fourth personal foul, Posadas.
Dito ka magantay. Dito.
No good. Substitution rep. Bontilao in. Pasaol out. Substitution. Warning for graduation. Basket good for Gorospe. 6-point lead lang po ang Don Tracos. Morta. There's a steal by Bontilao. Cholo. Bounce pass to Galea. To Cholo. To Galea. No good. Rebound by Sumampong. Nayan ulit. Same ball. Substitution rep. Pajardo in. Nahiya, Kedato out. Morta. To Nahiyan. Cutting Nahiyan. Basket good for Mac Nahiyan. Assisted by Morta. 8-point lead ang Don Tracos. 1 minute 50. Gorospe. No good. Calleja with the rebound. 12-second shot clock. 10. Cholo. Gorospe sumukat. No good. Out of bounds in favor of Don Tracos. 8-point lead ang Don Tracos. 1 minute 30 seconds. Sumampong. Sumampong jumper. No good. Rebound Sumampong. Sumampong pa rin. Isko Pahardo. Sumungat. No good. There's a whistle. Hot shot ball. Cholo with the ball. Cholo to discarte. High floater. No good. Rebound by Morta. First pick yan. Cholo Muntilao. Matneyan for 3. No good. Rebound by Tep Curullo. Curullo atake. The Oragon veteran. To Cholo pero na-steal Isko. Pero nakuha same ball. Don Tracos ball. 45 seconds. Sumampong. Screen from Morta. Sumampong to Neal. Bounce pass. Pero na out of bounds. Hot shot ball. 30 seconds remaining sa ating third quarter. Cholo with the ball. 27 seconds. Good po yan. Good yan. Sumampong rebound. Sumampong umatake pa rin. Basket good for Super Sumampong.
Sap, sumampong.
10-point lead. Solo. To Gorospe. Gorospe. Running jumper. Masyado malakas. But there's a whistle. Foul number 29. Francis Gorospe. That's your fourth personal foul. Warning for graduation. Captain ball now. Captain ball. Captain ball. Sorry. Nayan, point 3. Over the bawat. And that's the end of your third quarter. 10-point lead. That's Don Tracos 45-35. Ano yan? Captain.
Sit down, like it's your birthday. And you know we don't give a fuck, it's like your birthday. You find me in the club, out of football with money, I got the head sitting in the ticket drug. I'm in the habit.
And thank you to our viewers and spectators.
You find me in the club, out of football.
Ngayong Friday the 13th.
In the ticket drug. I'm in the habit.
Thank you so much. Magkikita po ulit tayo bukas. Game 2, semis. Grabe, matibay talaga. Matulog kayo ng maaga. Magkikita ulit tayo bukas. Mga players, back to the ball game. Hot shot. Ball. Don Tracos. Don Tracos ball. Possession arrow. Start of fourth quarter. Inbound violation. Para Shakti na po yan. Balik tayo sa hot shot. Glenn to Pasaol. Pasaol to Jupiter. No good. Same ball. 12 seconds shot clock. Gorospe to Luzon with the ball. Pinasa kay Glenn. Nice pass pero na out of bounds. Jupiter Acuña. 10-point lead ang Don Tracos. Ran Cudilla with the veteran. Isko Pahardo. Specialty basket. Good for Isko Pahardo. May kasama pang foul. Foul number 7, Jupiter Acuña. First personal. First team foul. One shot for Isko Pajardo. No good. Rebound by Morta. Pero nabitawan. 12-point lead ang Don Trangos. Inbound to Gorospe. To Bontilao. Glenn. Mina screen. Bontilao to Pasaon with a fake. With a jumper. Short. Rebound by Morta. Naharas doon ang bahagya pero nakuha ni Glenn Bontilao. Glenn Bontilao to Dia Pasaon. Pasaon jumper basket, good for Pasaon. 10-point lead. 47-37. Codilla to Sumampong. To Nayan. Thinking. Sumampong. Umatake. Layup, no good. Rebound by Jupiter. Nakuha ni Naya Lampoda. Fresh 24. Sumampong for 3. Special Timami. Basket, good for Sumampong for 3. That 3 points is brought to you by Paricovers. Bontilao Matake. Bontilao, no good. Rebound by Morta. 13-point lead ang Don Trangos. Nayan Duminscarte. Good po yan. Good po yan. No good. Ako niya.
Okay lang.
Pasawal for 3. 3! Di ang pasawal. Balik sa 10 ang kalamangan. 6 minutes 40. Morta against Nayan. Nayan for 3, no good. Backside substitution left. Corollo in. Luzon out. 6 minutes 15 sa ating fourth quarter. Gorospe with the ball to Glenn. Glenn to Gorospe. Gorospe. Jumper. Basket good. For Francis Gorospe. Assisted by Glenn Buntilao. Back to single digit ang kalamangan ng Don Trangos. 8-point lead. There's a swipe, steal by Dia Pasaon. Pasaon all the way. Basket good for Dia Pasaon. Time out. Don Trangos. Napakagandang fourth quarter naman.
Baby, can you tell me we are such a mystery?
Shoutout ulit natin ang mga ating committee members kung nasan man ngayon. Marvin Lumbaw, Ronald Sedo na nag-out na. I know you're watching. Sa iyong mga bata. And Master Eden Honorica. Back to the ball game. Inbound to Quedato. Nahial. There's a swipe, pero same ball. Sumampong inbound. Sumampong di discarte. Sumampong sa loob. But there's a whistle. Foul number 20. Number 7. June Bangunya. Second personal foul. Second team foul. 2 shots for Sumampong. Basket good for Sumampong. 2 out of 2. Sumampong. 8-point lead. Ang Don Tracos, 3 minutes 46 seconds. Pasahon. Supalpal ni Morta. Pero nakuha ni Diam. Shot clock to 11. Masyado malakas. Sumampang. Tumat na yan. Ngumingiti-ngiti pa. Binali pa. No good. Rebound by Gorospe. To Jup Acuña. To Diam. Pasahon. Jumper. Pasahon. No good. Tep Crullo. Last touch. Matt Nayal. Crullo with the ball. There's a steal by Sumampong. To Nayal. Nasa kanya pa rin ang bola. Basket good for Sumampong. 10-point lead. 3 minutes remaining. Gorospe to Jup Acuña, mid jumper, no good. Rebound by Morta. Matt Nayal with the ball, 2 minutes 37. Sumampong to Matt. To Kid Dato. Cutting pero nakuha. Posadas to Nayal. Agawang bola, nakakimar Nayal. Shot clock violation na po. Shot clock violation. Panap! Hot shot! Alright, back to the ball game. One timeout each. Both teams, one timeout. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Brought to you by Parigo Horse. Aces jersey. Glenn Montilao to Gorospe, but there's a whistle. Foul number 36, Sumampong. Third personal foul. First team foul, 2 shots for Gorospe. No good. Substitution rep. Luzon in, Corollo out. No good. Gorospe natapek kay Sumampong. Sumampong with the ball. 1 minute 45. To Kid Dato. Kid Dato to Sumampong. Shot clock to 12. Sumampong mamatake. Steal by Dia Pasahon. Pasahon atake. But there's a whistle. Foul number 01 Nahiyal. First, personal foul. Second team foul. Sideball tayo. Luzon to Glenn Montilao. Knockout play, no good. Pasalas with the rebound. May Nayal. Nayal to Kedato. Shot clock to 10 seconds. Morta with a screen. Kedato, Nahiyal. Pumeke pa. Step back three, no good. Rebound by Sumampong. Fresh shot clock, Nayal. Umatake, no good. Jupiter with the rebound. 50 seconds. Bata versus Bata. Agustin versus Pasahon. Pasahon for 3, no good. Rebound Posadas. 40 seconds. 10 point lead Don Tracos. Nahial. Shot clock to 7 seconds. 3 seconds. Good basket. Rebound by Glenn. Rebound by Jude. Luzon. No good. Rebound by Kedato. 5 seconds remaining. And congratulations, Don Tacos, for winning the game 1 of the semifinals. And makikita po tayo, game 2 tayo bukas. Okay, committee members, ligpit time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Magkikita ulit tayo bukas, game 2. And Orangi Stadium tayo, guys. Matulog na maaga, uminom ng vitamins. Magkikita ulit tayo. Thank you. Congratulations to Ramirez Agustin Super Sumambog, 35 points. Antinde. 11 rebounds, 3 assists. Sumambog. Sana all. Good night, everyone.